Again we are in chapter 2b, banking. Now we'll see question number 7. It is talking about a lady, Deepa. She has a recurring deposit account for 4 years. Time is given 4 years. Means month are 4 into 12, that is equal to 48 months. And monthly installment is given rupees 1800 per month, and maturity value is given. Maturity value is given rupees 1,08,450 rupees, and you have to find out rate of interest. R is unknown for you. So what we'll do, we'll find out how much is the deposit in 4 years. So money deposited will be how much? Amount of deposit per month 1800 rupees, and for how many months? 48. 4 years it is given. So it is 86,400 rupees. And maturity value is given this much, 1,08,450. Hence, if you have to calculate interest, so it will be maturity value 1,08,450 rupees minus 86,000. So interest will be my maturity value minus money deposited. So it is 0, it is 5, it is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 22,050 rupees. This is interest. And as per formula, interest is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into rate of interest by 100, and it is 22,050 rupees. So we'll put the value. Principal already know 1800. Number of months are 48 into 49 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. 12 to the 24 will cancel 2 times. This 20, this is equal to 22050. This 20 will be cancelled by this 20. So it will be 36 into 49 into R, that is equal to 22050. Hence R will be how much? 22050 divided by 36 into 49. So when you will cancel 12, you will cancel 3 12 are 36, 3 7 are 21, 3 3 are 9, 3 5 is 0. So R will come out as 7350 divided by 12 into 49. So 3 4 are 12, 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15. So it is 2450 by 4 into 49. It is 2 2 are 4, 1225. R will come out as 1225 by 2 into 49. 7 7 are 49, 7 1 are 7, 5 12. 7 7 are 49, 7 5 are 35. So it has come out as 175 by 2 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 5 35. 25 by 2, that is equal to 12.5%. This will be rate of interest for this monthly installment scheme in recurring deposit account. Now question number 10 is, it is talking about a Katrina. It is given she has opened a recurring deposit account in Nationalized Bank for a period of 2 years. So time is given 2 years. That is equal to 2 into 12, that is equal to 24 months. And rate of interest is given 6% per annum. 6% per annum. And monthly installment is given rupees 1000. Question is, Find his interest earned in 2 years. Interest into, it is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into rate of interest by 100. So principal is 1000 into n is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2 into 12, and rate of interest is given 6 by 100. These two zeros are cancelled. 12 to the 24 will cancel this one. So it will come out 10 into 25 into 6. So it will be rupees 1500. So this one is the interest calculated. Part of the question is asking about maturity value. So maturity value will be how much? That is equal to sum deposited plus interest. Sum deposited is 1000 monthly for how many months? 24 months. And plus interest has come out how much? 1500. So it is 24,000 rupees plus 1500. So your maturity value will be 25,500. 25,500. This will be maturity value.